All right, friends, this is a quick tutorial on how to access the practice test for the ELA MSTEP we're going to be taking next week. Guys, I know this is really boring. I know it's not the most exciting thing to do. I get it, 100%. If you are joining us during the Zoom to go over this, you are going to notice that I am going to be trying to throw in some fun activities into the whole test review, but if you're doing it on your own without the Zoom, I'm sorry, but I do want you to practice this anyways. So you're going to go to sample item sets on this website. You're going to click Online Tools Training. You're going to click Sample Item Sets, Grade 5, ELA. And then here's your username and password. And this is just a practice. This is not the actual MSTEP. So you're going to type in ELA 5 SAMP. And then for the password, it's test 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to continue. Click ELA grade 5 sample items. It's going to prompt you through just like it was the actual test.
You can hear my voice. Select the sound is working button.
Okay, and then you're just going to click through all of these. We've already read through all of these. You've done these with Mrs. Plaint. You know how to do this. Begin the test. There are, I think like 12 questions on here, but they are just practice. And this is just a training student profile. This is not the actual test. I really would like you to join on for the Zoom with this because we are going to be talking about what the best answer is and why we came up with that answer. So if you can join us for the Zoom on this, I would really, really appreciate it. If not, I still want you to do some practice with this before we take the ELA MSTEP next week. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.